we will do angle sum of polygon. So what is a polygon? Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segment. Here we have two polygons. One is a triangle A, B, C, and other is a quadrilateral PQRS. Now in this triangle you can see there are three sides and three vertex. This point A, point B and point C are called vertex, and we have three angles here. This is angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. So how many sides are there? There are three sides. Number of sides is 3. So I will take it n. N is equal to 3. Now number of angles are also 3. So what is the angle sum of a triangle? You have already done this with the help of activity also in your class 7. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. So I am keeping it with me. This is the angle sum of a triangle. Now let us calculate angle sum of a quadrilateral. Now this is a quadrilateral PQRS. It has four sides. So number of sides is 4. So now if I divide it in two parts, you can see it has been converted into two triangles. Now we have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. This I can take angle 4. This can be taken as angle 5 and this can be taken as angle 6. So there are two triangles, triangle PQR. Angle sum of triangles in PQR triangle will be equal to angle 1 plus 2 plus angle 3. It will give you 180 degree. Then similarly angle sum of triangle PSR is angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Now you can see if I take quadrilateral. Now quadrilateral PQRS angles sum is angle 1, angle 6. This is the angle of a quadrilateral at P. Then angle 2, then angle 3 plus angle 4. And then angle 5. So now this angle 1 plus 6 is angle P and this angle 2 is angle Q and this angle 3 plus 4 is R and this angle 5 is angle S. So you can see angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degree, then angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 is also 180 degree. So you will get angle sum of quadrilateral. You will get, here I am writing angle sum of quadrilateral PQRS will be equal to 180 plus 180, that is equal to 360 degree. So I have got angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree and angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now let us come to the next. Now this is a pentagon. This is A, B, C, D and E. It has four sides. So five sides. So N is 5 here, and if I will draw these lines, you can see it has been divided in three triangles. So now this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is 3, here I can write 4, here I can write 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8 and this is 9. Now we have three triangles. So angle sum of triangle ABC is angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree, and angle sum of triangle ACD is angle 6 plus angle 4 plus angle 5, that is also equal to 180 degree, and angle sum of triangle ADE is equal to angle 7 plus 8 plus 9 is also equal to 180 degree. If we'll add all these angles, now angle sum of pentagon is angle 1 plus 6, then angle 2, then angle 3 plus 4. Now this is angle here, and here I will write angle 1 plus 6 plus 7 also. This will be your angle A, and then angle 2, this is your angle B, and then angle 3 plus 4, it is your angle C, and then angle 5 plus 8, this is your angle D, plus angle 9, this is your angle E. So what will you get? You will get sum of all these angles, and it will be equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180. That will be equal to 542. So now similarly, in the next, you can see this is a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. So sides are 6. If I'll divide it, it will be divided in 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. This is one triangle, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Or you can see there are 4 triangles in this figure. Now these are the angles again, angle 2, angle 1, 2, 3. Here I can write 4, 5 and 6. Here I can write 7, 8, 9. Here it is 10, 11 and 12. So you can see angle sum of 1, 2, 3 ABC triangle is 180 degree. Then ACD triangle is also equal to 180 degree. Then angle sum of ADF triangle is also 180 degree. And when you will find the angle sum of this DEF, this also 180 degrees. So we have 4 triangles, and we will all add all angles of a pentagon. Now angle sum of ABCD hexagon. This is a hexagon. When we will add all these angles, you will get angle 1 plus 6 plus 7. This is angle A, and angle 2 is angle B. Then angle 3 plus 4 is angle C. Then angle 5 plus 8 is angle D, and 5 plus 8 plus 10 also. Then angle 11 is E, plus angle 9 plus 12 is angle F. And individually these angles will 1, 2, 3 angle will give you 180 degree, then 6, 4 and 5 will give you 180 degree, 7, 8, 9 will give you 180 degree, 12, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12 will also give you 180 degree. So it will be equal to 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree and 180 degrees. So it will give you 720 degree. Now what will we conclude from this activity? I will show you for triangle when n is equal to 2, sorry, n is equal to 3, angle sum is 180 degree, and quadrilateral when n is equal to 4, number of sides is 4, then angle sum was 360 degree. And in a pentagon, when n is equal to 5, angle sum is 540 degree, and in a hexagon sides are 6, so angle sum was 720 degree. Now we will derive a formula. You can see 180 is multiplied by 1 and 360 is multiplied. When we will multiply 2 with 180, you will get 360. So I can write it like 1 into 180, then it is 2 into 180, then it is 3 into 180, and it is 4 into 180. Now I will apply little bit more algebra to this. You can see this one is 3 minus 2, and this 2 is this 4 minus 2, and this 3 is 5 minus 2, and this 4 is 6 minus 2. I can write it 3 minus 2 into 180, it will give you 1, then 4 minus 2 into 180, then 5 minus 2 into 180, and 6 minus 2 into 180. And if the sides are n, then it is n minus 2 into 180. You can see here sides were 6, so it is 6 minus 2, 180. Here in pentagon sides are 5, so angle sum was 5 minus 2 into 180. And for quadrilateral sides are 4, so it is 4 minus 2 into 180. And for triangle sides are 3, 2, angle sum is 3 minus 2 into 180. So if sides are n, then it is n minus 2 into 180. So hence we derived a formula for angle sum of a polygon with sides n. It is n minus 2 into 180. So in this way you can find the angle sum of any polygon. You need to know the sides of polygon. If sides are 10, then it is 10 minus 2 into 180. Thank you so much.